Hello and welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll be walking you through the payroll confirmation and reports. So you go to payroll module and then you click on payroll confirmation. You want to confirm the payroll. Then you come over here, select the month in which you want to confirm, say April, then the year 2024. Then you load. It brings out everything under that month and the year. Then to confirm it, you click here, confirm payroll, and that's how to confirm a payroll. So if you want to get your payroll report, you come over to the payroll module and then you click payroll report. Then you select the month you want to get the report for, the year, and then you load. So it brings out the report. So what you do, you print, then you come over here, this is the report, and then you can print it. So that's how to get your payroll report.